Hey friends, it's Miss Amy here, and today we are going to do an activity that is so easy. All you need is a piece of paper and some markers. I don't have a ton of markers, so I'm using highlighters, or you can use pencils or crayons or whatever you have at home to do this. So, since we're all at home right now, it's kind of hard, right? But we can still do things to be kind to each other in our own homes, like we would in school. When we're at school, we're kind to our friends, we keep our hands to ourselves, we help put toys away, things like that. So today we are going to make a fun chart that will help us remember how to do some of these kind things. So to start with, I'm going to take one of my markers, and on the top of my paper, I am going to write acts of kindness. Now, you can have whoever's at home can help you write this, okay? Oh, I wrote it in gray. You can't really see, but it says acts of kindness, okay? So write that to start at the top of your paper. Okay, now that you have it written on your paper, I wrote it in a darker color so you could see acts of kindness. Now we are going to draw big hearts on our paper. I'm going to use pink because I like pink. So you can draw as many hearts as you want to, okay? My hearts aren't super great, but they still look like hearts, and that's all that counts, right? So I want you to take another marker and start drawing hearts on your paper, okay? Okay, friends, I drew a bunch of hearts on my paper. But you can draw as many as you want. You can draw 5, or you can draw 10, you can draw 20. Let's count how many I drew, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What comes after 13? 14. Yeah, I drew 14 hearts. So I have 14 acts of kindness on here, okay? So I need you to count how many hearts you draw on your paper and then tell me how many acts of kindness you have. So how many hearts you have on your paper. Can you do it? Okay, once you have that done, you can put this wherever you want. You can hang it up by your door, in your kitchen, in the family room, wherever you want, okay? But this is going to be your own chart, your own act of kindness chart. So what I want you to do is, if you do something kind or nice for someone in your family, say your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, I want you to color one of these hearts in for every kind or nice thing you do, okay? Now let's talk about some kind things that you can do at your house. So, if your mommy asks you to pick up some toys, what do you think the kind thing to do would be? Do you think you should listen to her and pick up your toys, or not listen to her and keep playing? Yes, you should listen to your mommy and put away your toys, because that would make her so happy. And then if you listen, you could color in one of your hearts. What else could we do? Another thing you could do is, if you see your mommy or your daddy or a brother or sister doing the dishes, maybe a kind thing to do would be to help them do the dishes. And if you help them do the dishes, you could color in one of your hearts. Okay? So let's say I decided to help my mom out and put my toys away, or clean, or do the dishes. I could color in one of my hearts, okay? I'm just going to do it really fast. Okay? So that would be one act of kindness. Now, what we're going to do is after you make all of your hearts and you start filling them in, let's see how many acts of kindness you can get by the end of the week or by the end of 2 weeks. Okay, so I want you to see how many hearts you can fill in by the end of the week. Let's see how many kind things you can do to people in your family or nice things you can do for them. And I want to see how many hearts you can fill in. Okay? Okay, so at the end of the week, I hope that your chart looks like this. I want to see all of your acts of kindness filled in, okay? Let's see if we can get that goal, because that would be so awesome. If you could do that many kind things to your family, for your family, that would be so awesome. So let's try and do it together. I'm going to do it too. I'm going to make a new one and see what acts of kindness I can do for my family throughout the week. And then I want to see how yours goes, okay? It was so fun to be with you today, and I hope that you can do this at home, okay? Because it's so easy. All you need is a paper and pens, or markers or crayons, okay? So let's see what you can do with your acts of kindness. Thanks. We'll talk to you later.